Welcome to the new segment of the grade ninth. We are discussing geography, fourth chapter, that is climate. So, in the previous classes, we had discussed about this climate only. Continuation of the same thing. The climate of the India is distributed or the described as a monsoon. So, monsoon it is derived from a Arabic word mosam. Monsoon means it is a rainy season, and it shows the wind direction during the year. So in our country we are having a southeast direction to get a particular monsoon. So in a various uh, climatical condition within the country, so two important elements, that is temperature and precipitation. So these are the, when they are the examined, it will be defer one place to another place and a season to another season. It will be show the changes. In a summer, the mercury it shows up to 50 degrees Celsius in some part of the Rajasthan, that is in a desert, and when we see in the other places, that is 20 degrees Celsius in a Palagram, Palagam in Jammu and Kashmir. On a winter night temperature dress in Jammu and Kashmir, it will be low in minimize, that is 45 degree Celsius. Thiruvananthapuram on the other hand may have a temperature of 22 degree Celsius. So when we see these 30, 50 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Celsius and 22 degrees Celsius, it will be changes one place to another place. So precipitation it will be vary or a difference in a one place to another place. So uh, forms and types of precipitation, but also in the its amount and the seasonal distribution. While precipitation is mostly in the form of snowfall in upper parts of Himalayas in northern India, in it rains over the rest of the country. Yes, so the annual precipitation it will be changes in a one place to another place, means the rainfall it will be change, and as well as that snowfall it will happens in a particular areas. We are having a dry in a particular areas, snowfall in a particular areas, heavy rainfall in a particular areas. So that's why the annual this precipitation it will be changed one place to another place. Here some examples they given in your textbook, that is a 400 centimeter in a Meghalaya to less than a 10 centimeter in a Ladakh and western Rajasthan. So upper part, that is a nearer to the Himalayas, and where we are having a more forest, there will get a heavy rainfall. They will receive a heavy rainfall from June to September. But in some part of in our country, that is a coastal line, that is some Tamil Nadu, that is a more larger portion in in during October and November. In a coastal areas, they will experience, that is humid climatical condition. They will experience seasonal contrast. They will when we see that in our country, in a coastal lines, in a northern part, in a southern part India, yes, this is decreases in a rainfall generally in a east to west. In a northern plains, these variation we have raised to variety in a living of lives of a people also. So when there is a season, it will be changes in a northern part, southern part, east and west, four directions of in our country. The when season will be changes, according to that their food habits, wearing of the clothes and the living of houses also, it will be changes in a one place to another place. So in a northern part they will use the more oily content. In a southern part we will see the clothing, they will use a more cotton clothes. Yes. In a east and west side, when we see the eating habits, both side it will be totally changed. So for the reference, you can refer a ninth grade textbook. Thank you.